All right, this is my friend Achilles. Achilles just got to take a nice walk and a nice pee. It is, what's today, Monday?
Monday, the 6th.
Monday, February 6th. He knows sit. As he does, as he does. Want a toy? Want a toy? Hey, puppet. See, I know this room. I've been in here before. Hey, bub. Hey, puppet. No. Yeah.
Boy.
He gets a little bit nervous with petting, just to give you a heads up. Maybe you'll be the one. But that was good that he came over to you. You want some cheese? Go say hi. Oh yeah, say.
You sit. 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 Good boy. Good boy. I got you. Good boy. He's not gonna hurt you. He won't hurt you. Good boy.
He's pretty gentle. He's really come a long way.
Good boy.
He just needs like just a very patient, calm home. Yeah.
Good boy. You get Paul? No. He's like, you're pushing it.
I like the side eye. What are you laughing at? I bet you he could learn it really quickly though, because he's definitely food motivated. Yeah, totally.
You get Paul?
Oh, hi. I know you got good freckles too. I don't know what else you like though. I don't know if you like toys or anything else. I don't remember. You try this one? I don't know if there's a squeaker in there. How do I not have anything with the squeaky? Seriously. There were 4,000 squeaky toys in here. Oh my god, none of them have squeaky. Wait. Oh! Hi, look at the light in your eyes. There you go. Hey, buddy. Let me give you another one. And, oh, hi. Wait, woo! Get that one. Oh my goodness.
That's like a hard one.
Hi, I know, it's fabulous. This is the most doggy I've seen him yet. Mr. Doggus.
Achilles. That's a kitty cat box. Do you like cats?
He does. He lived with cats.
No, do they?
Yes. Yeah, he was an owner surrender. His owners, I believe, they lost their house. Whoop, whoop. But he lived with cats, yes, which makes sense.